One of the neat things about it is, like right now I have a pan that's about ready to boil, and I can put my hand right next to it, and the pan is boiling on one side and my hand's not getting hot. The only heat that actually transfers to the glass is from the pan back into the glass, because the burner doesn't actually get hot. The burner goes right into the pan. It's connected magnetically to the pan. And that's how you get your heat transfer through there. So as you can see, it's really boiling pretty good on the one side. Now the nice thing about this is now we have a nice boil, as you can see, but I can instantly take that from a boil down to a simmer instantaneously. So now it's just at a normal simmer level. And say, then you come back in a couple minutes and it's not doing exactly what you want to, you can kick that up a little bit and we can bring it right back up to a small boil, or we can bring it right back up instantly to a roaring boil or in the pan. So it has that kind of control where you cannot control a normal electric cooktop that well. A normal electric cooktop, what happens is the burner cycles on and off, on and off, on and off to maintain heat. This maintains a constant heat through the magnetic connection to the pan. Like I said, we can cook right on paper. As you can see, I can take this off, put this over here, take that paper off, and it left no mess where the pan was. So you can take and easily clean the cooktop because it's nice in the glass surface compared to like a normal gas cooktop or electric cooktop where you have to wait to clean it off because it's super hot. Now say I put my hand right next to that burner, on that burner, and it's not hot enough to burn it. One of the other nice features we can do here at LJ's is we can also provide you an induction range. So not only do they make an induction cooktop, several companies make those, but we can also get induction ranges. So if we don't have room for a separate wall oven cooktop, we can do it all in a full-blown range. So again, if you have any questions about induction or just want to check them out, come see us here at LJ's.